Now in the first example, he asked us to find the integration of x squared plus 4x plus 1 over x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 3 into dx. Notice that we have in the denominator, we have the factor which is a linear factor. X minus 1 is a linear, x plus 1 is linear, and x plus 3 is linear also. So we will use the first form. What do we have? We have three factors, different factors. So we will use for everyone a new fraction. The first one, a over x minus 1. We don't have power of x minus 1, so we will write only one fraction. And also we have x plus 1. I will use another fraction, which is b over x plus 1. And we have the third factor. I will use now the third fraction, c over x plus 1. So if I use the common denominator of them, I will multiply the first fraction by the second and the third denominators, and the second fraction by the first and the third denominator, and the third factor, the third numerator by the the first one and the second denominator, to find the like denominator of both the left hand side and the right hand side. When we simplify the multiplications here in this step, we will get that we have a plus b plus c as a coefficient of x squared, and 4a plus 2b multiplied by x as, 4a plus 2b as a coefficient of x, and 3a minus 3b minus c as the constant number. So when we compare between the numerator of the left hand side and numerator of the right hand side, we can get a plus b plus c equal to 1, 4a plus 2b equal to 4, and 3a minus 3b minus c equal to 1. When we solve this system of three equations with three variables, we can get that a equal to 3 over 4, b equal to 1 over 2, and c is equal to negative 1 over 4. So we will use these values to replace in the first one, and we will use the integration of this fraction. The integration of x squared plus 4x plus 1 over x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 3 dx become the integration of the first factor, the first fraction. The value of a is 3 over 4, so I will replace it by 3 over 4 into dx over x minus 1, and b, which is equal to 1 over 2 over x plus 1 into dx, plus c, which is equal to negative 1 over 4, so I can get the minus outside the integration, 1 over 4 dx over x plus 1. So remember that we can get 3 over 4 outside the integration, so I have the integration of 1 over x minus 1, which is give us the ln of x minus 1 inside absolute value, and also 1 over 2 outside the integration, so I have 1 over 2 ln x plus 1 inside the absolute value minus 1 over 4 outside the integration, multiplying by the ln of x plus 3 plus c. Thank you.